Karan, today is a very special day when three distinguished writers are bringing out their works for public consumption. I deem it a privilege that I am called to release a work written by none other than Maharani Sahiba of Baroda. It's an article and it is titled Reclaiming Shakti. Her Highness Radhika Raje needs no further introduction from me to an audience of this type. The second article is authored by Dr. Swarnamalya Ganesh. It is a very interesting article which compares the Ashtanayikas with the works of Raja Ravivarma in an article entitled The Emotive Raja. Ganesh Shivaswamy, the dynamic author of many works, has written an article commemorating 150 years of the artist's career, of Raja Ravivarma's career, through 15 important paintings. All these works are very relevant in the art scenario, not just of Bharat, but of the world as well. About 125 years ago, Raja Ravivarma of Kilimanur expressed a desire that an art gallery should be put up in Thiruvananthapuram, capital of the erstwhile royal state of Travancore. Somehow or other, it did not materialize. I suppose everything has a time and place. And in 1935, the Sri Chitra Art Gallery came to life during the reign of Maharaja Chitra Tirunal Ramavarma, my uncle. I have the privilege of being his niece. Raja Ravivarma, incidentally, was Chitra Tirunal's mother, Maharani Sethu Parvati Bai. Sethu Parvati Bai's and Regent Maharani Sethu Lakshmi Bai's grandfather, maternal grandfather. Anyway, the art gallery came into being and it is a well-known area of interest to people who are concerned with this field. I had great pleasure in presenting these articles. I suppose you must use the term inaugurate and all that, but somehow or other I feel that presenting the articles would be a better terminology. Presenting these articles, erudite, informative and interesting, from three distinguished writers to the discerning, art-loving public of India. This series is coming under the banner of the Google Arts and Culture page of Ganesh Shivaswamy Foundation, Bangalore. I wish the foundation and its dynamic director, or Jivatma, Paramatma, whatever you would like to call him, Ganesh Shivaswamy, all the very best, and my namaskarams to all the three authors. Namaskaram, good day.